joined me today. Thank you for watching us.
So we already have Neelam. Hi
Hi.
Neelam.
Hi, Tanushree. How are you?
I am good. You're looking so vibrant, so radiant.
Thank you so much. It's so nice to
क्या
see you finally in person.
या कैसे इतना ग्लो है? ये पूरे टमाटर जैसे लाल लाल गाल कैसे हैं आपके?
Tomato जैसे लाल लाल हो, it's natural. I've not put anything, don't worry.
So you're looking awesome. You're looking actually awesome. It shows that you heal yourself completely.
Yeah, it's
Using
healing
all the
always starts from
practices.
you, na?
Yeah. So you're perfectly healed. Perfectly healed to heal others as well.
Thank you so
So
much.
welcome Neelam. I was talking to all.
Yeah.
I was talking to the viewers today about you that you'll be here and you'll be giving us tips on a very ancient therapy called Sujok. So before we begin, I wanted to tell everybody about Neelam. So Neelam is a holistic person. She heals people. She heals herself. She's a healer. She's a Reiki practitioner. She is also a naturopath. She believes in healing through Sujok. So she practices all these therapies. And along with that, she's also a dog lover and a very, very highly adventure enthusiast person. You will always find her on a bike. Probably I've seen her pictures. So she is quite a biker there. And
Thank you.
so you ride. So where all have you gone with your bike, Neelam? Do you participate in contests?
So we
and
keep
other
on
things?
doing these trips. I've been to Alvar, I've been to Tijara, I've been to NH8. So these trips keep on happening. We have our own
Wow.
bikers group. So as and when we feel like, we start riding.
Wow, amazing. So Neelam, why don't you tell about yourself, a little to the people out here?
Sure. So my name is Neelam Parwani. As Tanushree already told you, I'm a Reiki healer, Sujok therapist, and a naturopath. And I have a holistic healing center by the name of Nature Reiki Gurgaon. We do all kinds of healing on mental, emotional, and physical level through these three therapies. We also do certificate courses in Reiki and Sujok. So I teach people how to treat themselves by giving them the basic courses in Sujok and all the levels of Reiki. So this is basically what I do. Apart from this, yes, I'm an animal healer and a big time dog lover. So if you ever see a woman running around somewhere with dogs, think it is me. And we do a
And
lot
you-
of work for the stray dogs, and we feed them, heal them, as animals and plants are equally receptive to healing. In fact, more receptive to healing than human
Okay.
beings. So it really works
Okay.
wonders on them.
Okay.
So talking
So that is
about
something
today.
new. Yeah.
Yeah, because as animals and plants don't have minds, there is no blockage created by them. So whatever healing you give to them, they receive it immediately, and you will see the results also very fast. Yes, Sujok is also a therapy through which you can heal and cure all the without any medicines, without any side effects, without any pain. So that's the best part about this therapy. Sujok is a Korean acupressure therapy which was invented by Park Chin-wook. And the best part about Sujok is, and how it is little different from acupressure is, that when you do acupressure, you need to focus on that particular body part where you are having pain and look for the pressure points there. But in Sujok, we do not touch that body part. All the treatment is done either by your hands or by your feet. So even if you have a back pain, I'm not going to touch your back. I'm going to do the treatment only through your hands, through your fingers. So it's a very safe treatment. There cannot be any harm done in this treatment at all. Even if I am not getting the right point to put to cure your back treatment, I can still cannot go wrong, or anything that I do is not going to give you any bad effect on your health. So it's 100% therapy which works in wonder.
Okay. So, Neelam, let us leave Sujok a little aside and let us come to you and
Okay.
focus on you first. So, I wanted to
Okay.
understand, how the love for animals came into place with you. I'm also an
Okay.
ardent dog lover. So,
Okay.
I understand, you know, how much I can relate to that part with you. So I really literally
Uh,
love dogs, and
So
you know,
actually, when I was a child, I was very scared of dogs. Half of the time, I was running in front and dogs were running behind me. So I also had come with a fear of dogs for a lot of years. But eventually, when we
okay,
had our first pet, and the moment I hold that pet, I always
okay,
consider him to be my first baby and my first pet, because animals have such a way of communicating with you, which you can only understand if you are at peace. And they themselves
Mhm.
give you so much peace. So the amount of peace, the amount of support I got from my pet when I was pregnant, all the time he was beside me. It was like my whole and soul companion, more than my life partner at that time. So I was so
Okay.
attached, and then when I learned Reiki, and they taught us in Reiki that you can heal animals and plants through Reiki, I thought there cannot be anything better than
Right. So have you been able to heal?
you. Yeah.
Right. So have you been able to heal, you know, through Reiki or through Sujok, your, you know, dog or some other animal? Have you tried that?
Lots and lots of them, lots and lots of them. They get heat, or even the
Okay.
lost pets. I get requests from the owners who have lost their pets. We give Reiki. They find their pets back. Their pets
Oh,
who are going through diseases are healed. Their stray dogs who are lost are found back. They are healed to that level that you can't even think. Kids with backbone
okay.
issues, kids with cancer issues, kids with broken bones,
That's
and we keep
amazing.
on doing this on and off. We give complimentary Reiki to all the stray babies. So anybody see any stray babies in trouble, just send me a
Right.
message with their photo, and we will heal them.
Right.
And you will see the
Wow.
results sitting there. And we do
Okay.
healing for them. And it's not only for dogs; it's for everyone.
Okay. Okay. So, you know, you just mentioned that even if a person has lost their pet, as in lost life of a pet, or what?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Lost their pet. The pet has run away,
Okay.
or somebody has
Okay.
taken the pet. We
Okay.
give healing for
Okay.
that, and it comes back, because Reiki healing is not only for the physical issues, it's for everything. So you
Okay.
give healing when they are lost, you give healing when they have emotional issues, you give healing when somebody robs these pets, and you get them back, you find the clues where they are, how they can be found back. Everything is possible in Reiki. Only for dogs, it's for every, when somebody robs these pets and get them back, you find the clues where they are, how they can be found back. Everything is possible.
Am I audible? Neelam, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, you are. You are.
Okay, okay. Actually, Neena asked me to tilt the camera a little, so you know I'm here now. Tilting it. So, Neelam, coming back to you know about your healing. So, what all types of healing do you know? Reiki, naturopathy, and of course you mentioned Sujok.
Sujok.
So, yeah. So, what other things do you do apart from this? Is there any other
These are the
healing that
only
you
three
do?
things I do.
Okay. So, you know, you mentioned that for pets who have run away, is there a way to heal people or, you know, pets who have lost their lives? Is there some way to connect with them also through these practices?
Okay. No, I do not connect with them as such, but yes, I can heal the people who have lost their pets, because they are going through emotional healing. They need emotional
Okay.
healing for that, to understand the reality that the person or the pet is going for the better. But I do not connect with the soul. That I don't do.
Okay.
I believe we have enough souls on the earth to connect with who are alive. So let's connect with them and heal them first. Those souls are very happy
Absolutely.
where they are, so let them be there.
Right, right. So Meena is mentioning that there's a lot of voice echo.
Yeah,
So
on your end it is, but now I think it is stopped. Suddenly it is stopped now.
okay, is it okay now?
Yeah, it is much better now.
Okay, 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 great. So, for people who joined in us now, we have Neelam Parvani with us. She is a healer, a naturopath. She heals through Reiki and Sujok. And today she is going to give us some healing techniques, and she is going to have a chat with us about Sujok, the way it heals people, and the way we can heal our bodies ourselves using Sujok, which is an advanced acupressure technique. Am I right?
True.
Right.
Completely true.
So Neelam, now let us now concentrate and focus on Sujok since we have maximum people joining in now. So can you throw light on Sujok and why is it called advanced acupressure and what is Sujok therapy? You know, just throw in some light.
Sujok is a Korean acupressure therapy invented by Dr. Park Ji-woo. Why we call it advanced acupressure is because in a normal acupressure treatment, whichever body part has an issue, we focus on that body part and the acupressure points in and around that body part. But in Sujok, we do the complete treatment only through our hand and through our feet. Su means hand and Jog means feet. So it is hand and feet treatment. The whole body is cured only by your hands and by your feet. So if you have problems, suppose you are having a neck pain, I'm not going to touch your neck. I'm going to give you a point on your finger from where the energy is going to pass and connect with that body part over there and cure you completely.
Okay.
So that's the reason it is known as advanced acupressure. So in this case, what happens? You can yourself learn this and treat yourself. You don't really have to be capable of accessing every body part of yours because you can do it through your fingers itself. So suppose if you have a back pain, you don't have to worry that you can't find out your points at the back. The points are there in the finger. Secondly, some people are very, very sensitive towards pressure. So in that case, this treatment helps a lot because it does not require that much pressure. When we do this treatment, we are not putting any extra pressure, we are not putting any needles, we are just using simple seeds which are easily available at home. So this treatment is very simple, very effective and can be used at any point in any place. So you're not restricted for a specific equipment with you to use this treatment. If you're sitting outside also, you can use it. If you're in the office also, you can use it. And the seed which we use is this methi dana, which everybody has it at home, and moong dana, that is sabut moong dal. I just hope you can see this. It's a normal moong dal, hara moong ka dal, which we have it at home. This is the seed which we are using, and methi dana is also available in everybody's house. And what we need is just half an inch paper tape. So this treatment is so simple, that's why we call it advanced acupressure.
Okay. So I have seen, in showrooms and other places, some, slippers which come, which have these pointed, ridges over it. And, even I have worn a few at times because the people who sell it, they say that, this is good for your pressure points. So is it the same thing or is it different, Neelam?
It is the same thing. See, as I told you, Sujok is related to your hand and your feet. So the slippers which you are wearing, all the pressure points are at the bottom of your feet. So automatically that pressure points are getting pressed the moment you wear the slipper. So those slippers can help you maintaining good health. Obviously, they cannot help you doing a treatment for a particular issue because for that you need to use a specific point. But to maintain good health, apart from slippers, we also have these Sujok balls which comes. You just need to roll it like this or press it like this 5 to 10 minutes. Now what is happening? All the pressure points on your hands are getting pressed. The same way you were using slippers, you can use these balls. Now slippers you can't wear every place. These you can carry with you. We also have for the kids which are not that pointed and they are in fluorescent colors. So kids get attracted and they're just simply playing and they're not realizing that how much good effect it is having on their health. Apart from that, we also have these rings. These rings are also effective. This is the ring which you use for the arm. Just roll it like this in arm if you have any kind of pain. At that particular point, hold 10 minutes up and down, don't leave it at one place and you will see the energy rolling in there and the pain going away. And these are called the magical rings. I call them because they are very effective in maintaining good health. You just take this ring, roll it in your finger, roll it in 10 times and use it in every finger. Every body part of yours is getting the energy which is required, getting healthy day by day, and the blood circulation is increasing in every body part. The main
Okay.
reason for any kind of pain or blockage is the circulation of the blood is not proper, circulation of oxygen is not proper. Once that is
Okay.
proper, you start feeling healthy and energetic yourself. These
Okay.
are some very simple props that we use. And the next one is foot roll. So
Yeah,
it
I've
does the
seen
same
this.
work like your slipper does. It is more
Yeah,
like the slipper thing. You put both the feet here and you start rolling it like this. So it's exactly the
yeah.
same thing which your slippers is doing.
I
These
think I remember buying one of these, from some market,
are okay.
and I remember it ended up as a chewing toy for my doggy.
See, the whole
So
thing
it
is we
happens,
buy all
yes,
these and we do not use
yeah,
them. So if you don't
yeah,
use them and then you say it is not effective, I don't buy that. I said you have
yeah.
used it.
Actually,
You have
I
used
didn't
it
even
even for a
no,
month.
actually, yeah, I didn't even know that, what is the purpose of it. The person had told that,
Okay.
you can roll it here and there. But as soon as it was home, it went away to my baby. So that was always there. So, yes,
So now you
these
know the
kind of,
purpose of it. So get
yeah,
them and use
yeah.
them.
Yeah, actually, the sessions are so helpful. You get to know so much about so many things that we actually aren't aware of, in our busy
True.
lives, in our day-to-day lives. So I would request all the people who are watching us to drop in questions for Neelam. She is here and she'll be addressing us, the crowd here on Sujok therapy and the do's and don'ts of Sujok and how exactly it benefits us and our health. So moving on, Neelam, I wanted to ask you that since Sujok is a very helpful practice, is it also a very ancient practice, and how had it originated, or from where did it originate?
It is not very ancient. In fact, the inventor, Dr. Park Jae-woo, was alive a couple of years back, and he
Okay.
used to come to India to conduct workshops. So
Oh
it is a
wow.
very new practice. It's a Korean therapy, which is very
Okay.
newly. As I told you, it is an advanced version of acupressure. So acupressure is
Okay.
very old, but Sujok is
Mm-hmm.
pretty new. So what Park
Okay.
Jae-woo is trying to do is get it in such a compact form for us so that
Mm-hmm.
everybody can use it and it can spread on a wider level. Because
Right.
acupressure, everybody cannot do it, but Sujok,
Mm-hmm.
everybody can learn and do it.
Right. 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 And how about, if anybody and everybody can do Sujok, then do we need experts actually? Do we need guidance? Do we need to, what exactly, we need guidance for?
Okay, so see, to learn something, obviously you need to do a course. Although
Right.
you can do it yourself, but then you need to learn how to do it yourself, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason we take learn it first and then practice it. So we have two courses in Sujok. One is the basic
Okay.
course, the second is the
Okay.
advanced course, and we do both the
Okay.
courses. The basic
Okay.
course is just a 2-day program, 2-day workshop, a
Mm-hmm.
weekend workshop that we conduct. In that,
Mm-hmm.
we tell you how to do the treatment of the basic diseases like
Okay.
colds, flu, coughs, digestion, vomiting, diarrhea, the day-to-day diseases which we are very, very, very casually, a little weather change and we are having cough and cold, a little weather change and we are having a pain in the knee, or having
Mm-hmm.
acidity, or having loose motion. So those you
Mm-hmm.
can learn very easily in 2 days time and start treating. So the whole purpose is that you're not taking tablets anymore. You're away from allopathy. So your normal Disprin,
Mm-hmm.
Crocin is also removed from your house because you can replace it with something very simple and which doesn't have any
Mm-hmm.
side effects. The advanced
Right.
course is for the chronic diseases like you have asthma, you have cancer, you have AIDS, you have all those chronic diseases. Almost are there. In fact, half of the names I only learned after I did the course. Before that, I also did
Oh,
not know there are so many diseases in this world. For that, you
okay.
need to have a 3 month course. And for that,
Okay.
you need to diligently do it and practice it. Then only you should go. So I will say
Mm-hmm.
go for advanced course when you really want to practice it as a professional. But a basic course
Mm-hmm.
is something that everybody should do to keep away these
Mm-hmm.
medicines and to build the immunity in your in your life for yourself, for your family members, and also to
Mm-hmm.
build that small inputs which we usually forget. Like you buying a foot roller and do not know what's the use of it, right? You're having
Absolutely.
these balls. If you know that actually helps you maintaining good, and we all look for maintenance more than cure, because after the cure also the
Mm-hmm.
maintenance is required. So I can works. I can show you how you can take care of your any pain in your arm or in your leg through Sujok. So you will understand how easy it is to learn this technique.
Okay.
So this is our
Okay.
hand.
Yeah,
So if this is my left hand, the first finger of my left hand represents my left arm. This is my complete left
Okay.
arm. The lower joint
Okay.
here, the lower line, we have 3 lines on the finger. The lowermost line is your shoulder joint. This second
Okay.
line is your elbow joint, and this third line is your wrist joint. So suppose you are
Okay.
having a pain in the shoulder. So this is your shoulder joint. What you need to do? Just take a 1/2 inch tape like I showed you. It is available in any medical shop. Take it, place some methi danas on it like this, okay? And just roll it on your finger at the bottom and leave it overnight. In the morning, your shoulder pain, in 2 to 3 days, your shoulder pain will be completely gone.
Oh.
And I can guarantee you. So it is
Okay.
so simple. If you are having an elbow pain, you know your elbow joint. If you have a wrist pain, you know the wrist joint. Now, if you are having a pain between the elbow and the wrist, then this is the area. Just put a methi strip there and it will be taken care of. You don't have to apply too much pressure, you don't have to press it too tightly, but make sure you do it in such a way that the danas do not fall out. Do not wet this finger for another couple of hours. If you put it overnight, it is great. If you are there during the daytime, just leave it for 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
So this is as simple as that to get cured through.
Wow, it's very simple. Very simple.
Very, very simple. The second
Right.
finger of your hand represents your. So if it is the left hand, then it is the left leg. Again, the same rule. The lowermost joint. The second line is your knees, and the third is your ankle. Anybody having a knee pain, there cannot be a simpler remedy like more than Sujok to cure your knee pain. And most of us are suffering from knee pains due to arthritis, due to calcium deficiency, vitamin D deficiency. Just take this, cover the second line on your second finger, the middle line. This is it.
So
do this for
the
15
pressure,
days and you will see your new. Yeah.
how much intensity with which we have to tie that band across? Will it have to be very tight?
Normal.
Or, you know, it can
normal.
be...
You don't
Okay.
have to press it too much. Just normal.
Okay.
So that it
Okay.
stays in one place. That's it. So you are not
Okay.
putting too much pressure. So these danas don't hurt you actually on your face. Make them hurt because you're putting them for
Okay.
3 to 4 hours. So as I told you,
Right.
it is a painless treatment.
Right.
So this is how you take care of your knees. This is
Okay.
as simple as that.
And how, how often should we do this, till the pain is, we getting riddance from the pain, or we have to continue doing it to maintain it?
No, once your pain is gone, stop it. So depending on what kind of pain it is, if it is an immediate pain which you have suddenly got, you will get over in a day or two. If you have, then it might take days or maybe a month because it's gone chronic. Suggestion is keep
Okay.
doing it till the time it is completely gone. What we do is once we get a little bit relief, our laziness comes in place and we stop doing it. And then the pain comes
Yeah.
back again. So wait for it to go from the root. Then only
Okay.
this treatment will be effective.
Okay. And, what happens, are there cases where it does not go also? The pain, if
There
it is
are
very...
cases where the treatment is left in between. It is not.
Okay.
It's not that it cannot be cured, but the treatments
Okay.
are long because, as you know, all the alternate healing treatments take a longer time because you have to remove it from the root. So there are patients for whom it has taken 6 months also for the knee pain to remove because they've been having that pain for years altogether. Now what happens after 15 days or a month, you lose out on your patient and you say nothing is happening and you do not see the improvement is gradual. So
Right.
that's when you say the treatment has not worked. But it is never that the treatment has not worked. It's always that your patients to continue with the treatment.
Okay. Right, right. True. Actually, we all, even with medicines, we forget to pop our pills also at times because we are all so stressed out
Yeah,
in our
sometimes we
day-to-day
don't
lives.
even finish our
Especially,
antibiotic pills.
yeah, yeah. I
So
am
that's
most
even,
of the
and then
times
we
I
say
don't.
this medicine or this doctor is not working for us.
Yeah, yeah, it happens with me all the time. It happens with me all the time. And especially before, this pandemic and before rushing up with things, and we were so, running errands that it used to be very difficult to even, take our medicines and all. It's a very simple thing to remember to take a medicine. But, at times I've seen my husband, he
So just
forgets his meals. So yeah, he's so busy with
see,
his work. Yeah. So and then he'll ask me, "Did I have my meal today?" So it
so
was
the
there.
bill
Yeah,
itself is going not eating your food. So then it is going to affect your health.
yeah,
So this has been a
yeah.
learning lesson
I
for lockdown. Everybody has come up with their own skills of cooking. So everybody is eating good food now.
Yeah, true. Actually, I wanted to also ask you, Neelam ji. Basically, many people suffer from backaches also. A lot of people do
Yes.
suffer from, ache here. This area that I'm showing. So,
Yeah, the
do you
cervical
have
area.
yeah. So, do you have treatments for that also? Like people have spondylitis, people have pain over on the neck and other places. So, do you
Yes,
have treatments also?
yes.
Okay, and it is all,
Especially
the
for
key to
bone
it is all in
treatment,
our palms.
all in our palms, and the bone treatments are very, very effective. Because whenever you have a bone pain, you can measure the intensity of pain very easily, and you will see the difference very fast. So for
Okay.
backbone, cervical, spondylitis, lumbar area pain, knee pains, joint pain, this treatment is 100% effective. Like I'll
Okay.
show you the point for cervical, as you said, this is here. So this is
Mm-hmm.
your knee. Now
Mm-hmm.
just below your nail, in the center. Okay, we have to
Mm-hmm.
go in the center. Keep pressing here one by one. This from here to here is your neck area. Now look
Mm-hmm.
very carefully. This is your thumb. You can use any thumb, left or right. It's up to you. The treatment is same.
Mm-hmm.
Right in the
Mm-hmm.
center. This is one line. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the center, start pressing slowly, 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 and you will find a point here which is paining the most for you. It could be anywhere. It could be on the top or at the bottom, depending on where exactly is your cervical pain originating from. Suppose if I have a pain here and this is the point where it is paining the most for me.
Mm-hmm.
So I have marked it like this. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Or not?
Right.
Now what you need to do is take the tape, put just one simple moong dana like this, and
Mm-hmm.
put it exactly on that one point where it was paining the most.
Okay.
Like that. Alright? This is your
Mm-hmm.
main point for the survival. In this area where
Okay.
you are having the maximum pain. You might be having pain in the whole area, but you need to
Mm-hmm.
figure out the point where you have the maximum pain. And that's your main point of survival. You put this moong dana like this, and on
Mm-hmm.
top of that, you put your regular methi strip like you were doing for other treatments.
Okay. Okay.
Like this. So we have
Okay.
covered the whole neck, and we have also taken care of that one specific point from where the pain is originating. This is the
Okay.
cure for cervical. It will take a
Okay.
few days for the pain to go completely. I will
Mm-hmm.
recommend along with this keep doing your neck exercises which doctors and physiotherapists have recommended you for the neck so the
Mm-hmm.
energy keeps
Mm-hmm.
flowing. But you just need to put this one point and your cervical is taken care of. And you
Wow,
will
that's
see the
amazing.
results within 2 to 3 days. Because it's a
Wow.
bone pain, you will be
Right.
able to measure the intensity of pain that it has reduced. With the organs,
Right.
it is difficult for us to measure the intensity. With the bones, it's
Mm-hmm.
very easy to measure the intensity of pain. So this is how
Okay.
you cure your cervical.
Okay. So, welcome people who have joined us again. Now we have gone live round 2 because the earlier broadcast got interrupted. Technology, Wi-Fi is in demand these days. We are talking about Sujok therapy here, and Neelam Parwani is an expert in this. She has her own healing unit, her own healing center in Gurgaon, and she operates from Nature's Grace. And she is here throwing light today on therapies that Sujok or advanced acupressure has, and simple seeds and a tape, can be revolved around pressure points which are there on our hands, on our palms, and on our toes, using which we can treat big ailments like spondylitis or cervical pain or leg pain or arm pain. Also, regular things like cold, cough. Stop relying on, start using natural therapies like this. This actually, Sujok, according to what we heard, is a Korean therapy. So lots and lots of things that we are learning today. We've seen props that even babies can use, and regular use of it keeps their arms and feet healthy. So so somebody is asking that it's in the right hand. Shikha Mittal wants to
Okay,
know.
so you can use these points in both the hands. That's the best part about Sujok. You can use all the points in the left hand as well as in the right hand. It is the same. So if you are having a cervical in this thumb, you can use this thumb also. I usually use the left hand because most of us use our right hand for other work in writing. And once you put these tapes, you should not wet them. That's the reason I go for left hand treatment mode. Otherwise, you can use any hand. And the rules with the hands are the same. If it is your left hand, then this is your left arm. The first finger is your left arm. If this is your right hand, then your first finger is your right arm. The second finger, if it is the left hand, it is the left arm, a left leg. And if it is the right hand, then it is the right hand. So whichever hand you are using, that hand's first finger represents your arm and second finger represents your leg.
Okay. Wonderful. So there is Ritu Joshi Khulbe who is asking about spondylitis. I think
so spondylitis again is a back treatment. Okay, like cervical, then you have to take care of the complete back. For spondylitis, I will say come and consult once, because spondylitis and back is a very big region. We need to figure out which part of your back is having a problem. Is it the upper back, mid back, lower back, because of which you are having spondylitis problem. Because whenever we have a back pain, it might start from the neck, but it always goes down. Or even if you have a lower back pain, it is somewhere connected on cap. So the back is always connected, right from the neck to your tailbone. The complete back is always connected. So we have to look for the point in the whole back for a complete treatment.
Okay. So for treatments which are as complex as these, I think expert guidance should be sought first, right?
Yes. Then you need a therapist or a Sujok expert to help you with this. And I also do online treatment, so you really don't have to come to me. We can even do it on a video call nowadays. So anyways, nobody can come. But otherwise, you're welcome to come. Right now, we can do it online. Otherwise, also, if you are not from Gurgaon and if you're residing in some other city, not to worry. These treatments can be done online and on FaceTime. I will teach you how to do the treatment and I will guide you what for it to be put.
Right. So, folks and threes who are watching us, Ritu, and others like Shikha Mittal, all of you can reach out to Nature's Grace, or Neelam Parwani. I tagged her on the post, a simple DM on her Facebook, and, she will be able to guide you further with the treatments that you need. So, we have another query from Tamanna Bhatia, and she says that she had undergone carpal tunnel surgery a few years back. And she has pain in her right wrist, and it increases with more work. So, any solutions?
So, your right wrist, look at your right hand, the first finger, the first line. This is your wrist area. What you need to do is just put a methi strip all over this area every day in the night and take it out in the morning. Do it for 15 days and you will see your pain has reduced. You will keep on having this pain because of the surgery. You are putting more pressure. So what I advise you is at least continue for a month to see that it will reduce substantially for you to do all your work. Because once you have any kind of surgery, there is a certain kind of deficiency which is created in your body, because now your body is not the natural body. So what we do is we energize that area every day. If you leave it in the night every day, the whole day you can do your work and you will not feel any pain. But you have to do it at least for a month because of the surgery this pain has generated.
Yeah. So Tamanna, you have to do it for a month. You need just methi danas, which is very readily available in our houses, and
Even
you
this
need a
paper
paper
tape is
strip.
available at any dental shop. Just ask them
Absolutely.
half-inch paper tape. It's hardly 20
Yeah.
rupees tape.
Yeah, yeah. So just follow this, and then we already have Neelam on board. So, any other questions or any other hiccups that you might have in the process, you can always reach out to her. Meena Kapoor is asking about headaches. So,
Okay, so
any
now
remedies for headaches?
I can give you a very general remedy for headaches, but headaches are very specific. Usually you have headache for a specific reason. So what is your reason of headache? That kind of treatment goes under advanced treatment. Otherwise, for a basic headache, what is the thing? This is your thumb. This top area of your thumb represents your head. Okay? If you press here, you will find one specific point where it is paining. Put a moongdana there. If you are not able to find the point, just cover this top area, your nail area and your front area with a methi dana strip for headache for 3 to 4 hours and your headache will be gone. But if this headache is generating due to something specific like acidity or like any other stress issue, then you need to consult for advanced treatment. Otherwise, this is the simple thing. Just cover your nail and your thumb front area with methi dana strip and your headache will be gone.
Okay, okay. So, also pain in the heels is
Pain
what
in the
Meena
heels is
asked.
due to acidity. So pain in the
Okay.
heel is only and only due to acidity. So we have to do acidity treatment. Although you can put the points for the heel, but it is not going to cure because the root cause for that pain is acidity. So we have to treat your organ, that's your liver and your stomach. So that comes in a slight advanced treatment. So there will not be any specific point which I'll be able to give you right away for heel, because that involves the balancing of your water and your acid level in the body.
So Meena, for the heel pain, I think the best person to go to is Neelam. So approach her and get your treatment fixed with her. I wanted to also throw some light, Neelam ji, about this thing. Like yesterday, we had World Hypertension Day. So,
Yeah.
owing to the, sedentary lifestyles that we have got, most of the people these days, even at as early as, with an age of 30s, in the early 30s or late 30s, by 40s, people are getting, BP and blood pressure and diabetes problem. So, what do you suggest? Do you have, any kind of treatment for that also with
Yes,
Sujok?
we do have treatments for diabetes, we do have treatment for hypertension, and those again will come under advanced treatment. So there will not be any specific point because we have to balance the whole system in your body. Plus, there has to be reasons behind your stress, right? Nobody gets
Right.
hypertension or diabetes just like that. There are reasons behind that. So we need to figure out those reasons and cure you according to that. But yes, they
Right,
are.
right,
What I can give you
right.
is a quick point for anxiety. If you would like to have that, I can give that to you.
That
So
will
for
be helpful.
anxiety, yeah, because most of us go through these anxiety attacks a lot. So this is very
Yeah.
effective in 10 to 15 minutes. Your anxiety will be. So this is your first finger right here. Okay, press it. So see, if you are looking at your palm, then it will be towards your right hand side. Okay, press it right at the top here. You will find a point here which is paining. You can do it right now also if you have a pen in your hand. It will be paining. Just put the moongdana there and it will take care of your anxiety issues. Especially if you are
Okay.
having an anxiety attack, do it right away. Don't wait
Okay.
long. In
Okay.
case you are in a place where you do not have a moongdana, you don't have a place, then the only thing you have to do is keep pressing your finger on the top line. Do it for 10
Okay.
minutes, your anxiety will be gone and your breathing level will be normal. You will breathe well. Okay, this is for
Wonderful.
the anxiety and it is a very effective and it works
Okay.
within 5 to 10 minutes.
Amazing, effective remedies, and so simple to do. I mean, this
Yes,
is
it
so
is very
lovely.
simple.
Yeah, I actually didn't have a clue about this therapy myself before, we had joined today. And now that I know so many things, it's so easily doable at our houses. So I'm really feeling
Yes, it is.
amazed to have known such a therapy. I feel blessed today that, we have you here. And, I'm learning such a technique which can actually ease out so much from us,
That's
and
what
we
I
can do it
say.
ourselves.
Yes,
Yeah,
please do the basic course in Sujok, which is just a 2-day course. It's a basic workshop,
right.
weekend workshop, any 2 days during your week, and it is going to give you so many tips how to cure your issues at your own time.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Neelam ji, you've shown some very lovely techniques today. You've shown, which pressure points are for what. Just one more thing, I wanted to throw some light on cold and cough because, in today's times with corona pandemic and other things going on, people are very wary about cold and cough. So, do you have a pressure point specifically for cold and cough? If yes, you can show that to
Yes,
our viewers so
we,
that, it'll
we
really help
have
them.
for the cough, we have a
Right.
very specific points for the cough and cold. So again, you go for your thumb. The
Okay.
first line in the lower area. Now this is the front side of the thumb. This is where you
Okay.
have your throat. The complete throat area is this. Just put a meaty strip like this. I'll just show it to you how to do it. And it will take care of all your throat. Any kind of cough, dry cough, wet cough will be taken care of just by putting this. You put it for a couple of days and it will
Mm-hmm.
be gone completely. Try to leave it overnight because then the body is resting and this therapy works wonders when the body is
Mm-hmm.
resting and it is for a longer duration. These pressure points are there if you're putting it in the night. So this is
Okay.
for your cough. Any
Okay. So
kind
the
of cough can be
center,
taken care of.
so the
Just
center
below
of the
that
thumb,
line,
right? So
right,
center of
right.
the thumb.
Not the
Any
line,
thumb.
just below the line.
Okay,
Any
the
thumb.
below the line. Okay. Okay.
Below
Any
the
thumb.
line, any thumb,
Okay.
left or right.
Okay. Okay. So now, Neelam ji, you've shown us so many techniques, and it's awesome to have you on board today. I want, lastly, that what all courses do you offer, and what is the duration of the courses? Can people go visit you and do the course, or it is also available online for us to do? And how can patients contact you if they want to? So let us know about that
Okay,
now.
so we do basic and advanced course in Sujok. Basic course is a 2-day course. Advanced course is somewhere from 1 to 2 months. We also do all level of Reiki certification, right from level 1 to master, and every level have a different duration. All these are registered company, and we have been given the permission to issue the certificates. We also do courses in naturopathy and in health so that you understand what kind of food is required by your body. Those are weekly courses and bi-weekly courses. Apart from this, we do specific programs for all kids to learn positivity and how to energize themselves and keep healthy to build their
Mm-hmm.
immunity. We do online and FaceTime and in person, all kind of courses. So restriction of city or country is not there. We do global courses. Anybody and everyone can contact. We also do
Okay.
counseling on healing. So you can also
Mm-hmm.
approach us for kids counseling as well as adult counseling. Let it be for personal issues, relationship issues, or work related. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Tanushree.
Thank you. So thank you, Neelam ji, for giving us, such a great insight on, such a wonderful session. And it
Thank
was
you so much,
wonderful,
Tanushree,
wonderful.
and thank you so much, Vinny. It is really nice that so many people are able to get the benefit of this amazingly simple therapy. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to come on. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are honored to have you here. Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Take care.
Same to you. Bye.